Yo, hold up. You ever check your bank account at 2 a.m. and think, where the hell did my money go? Yeah, me too. Don't even get me started on $9 eggs and $7 coffee. Bro, who thinks this is okay? Yo, real quick, smash subscribe right now so you never miss the next money hack. I got you, fam. What's good, legends? Your financial expert here at Mark Finance. I help real Americans stop getting ripped off by money. Yeah, you, sitting there thinking bills are a conspiracy. We're gonna do stuff like stop inflation from eating your groceries like it's a zombie apocalypse. Figure out why your paycheck disappears faster than your cousin at a family BBQ. Outsmart credit cards, student loans, and those sneaky bank tricks that cost you hundreds. And yes, I'm gonna show you the hacks banks pray you never calculate. Seriously, numbers that make them sweat. It's beautiful. And we're gonna laugh a lot, cause money is stressful, bro. But watching me rant about it? Hilarious. Like spit your coffee out funny. And stupid simple. No Wall Street nerd talk, just stuff that hits you deep when you're at Target, in traffic, or refreshing your bank app, again at 3 a.m. Stick around and I promise, in the next vid, we're going deep on a hack that could literally save you hundreds this month, and you're gonna feel like a genius. All right, legends, that's your sneak peek. Drop a like if this already made you laugh. Smash subscribe so the banks don't win, and buckle up. We're about to make money less painful and way more fun. Love y'all. Let's frickin' go.